The next company we visited continues to lead their industry through dedication, innovation, and amazing products. Come with us to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and meet the unique combination of 7 brands: DP Winch, Gear Products, Greer Company, LANTEC, RUFNEK, Tulsa Winch, and Pullmaster. Meet TWG. With a history dating back nearly a century, TWG is an operating company of Dover Corporation and is best known for their industry-specific winches, hoists, gear drives, slewing ring bearings, and monitoring electronics for energy, infrastructure, marine, and recovery markets worldwide.
At TWG, we are a designer and manufacturer of products both here in our Tulsa, Oklahoma facility and in our Vancouver facility in Canada. We manufacture products that are used in multiple markets with multiple applications to lift, rotate, pull, and monitor large industrial pieces of equipment. So what makes TWG successful in our markets is we have over 1 million products that have been installed over our 90-year history. And basically with those products and our experience and thousands of designs, we're able to develop a diverse product offering for our customers that are highly reliable in the markets. But most importantly, our employees really drive the success of the business. We have a very long tenured, dedicated, and motivated group of employees that love what they do.
With standardized and customized solutions to help customers pull, lift, rotate, and monitor, TWG is transforming the way things work through their cutting-edge solutions and brilliant array of products.
TWG provides a multitude of products for multiple applications. So the products we actually provide include industrial winches, hoists, hydraulic pump drives, gear drives, rotators, as well as electronic monitoring equipment, basically used on these vast array of industrial products, such as cranes, recovery vehicles or tow trucks, both small and heavy-duty recovery tow trucks, military vehicles, as well as onshore and offshore oil rigs, utility trucks, work trucks, commercial fishing vessels, maritime workboats, and several other dozen applications. And really our product is the heart of these industrial equipment. So when you have a crane, you're going to have a hoist that's going to do the lifting for that crane. When you have a recovery vehicle or tow truck, you're going to have a hoist or a winch that's going to be doing the pulling or the lifting of that vehicle. So our products are really the heart of these heavy-duty industrial vehicles.
Combining innovative ideas with superior quality materials to yield reliable, efficient solutions that make your business successful and your day-to-day life easier and more productive. TWG truly understands and appreciates their customers' wants and needs.
We make sure everybody is involved with the customer and really understand what those needs of the customer are so we can help them solve their problems. We really focus on making sure that the customers can provide the best products to their customers, which are ultimately the end users of these products, such as a crane operator or a tow truck operator or someone working on an oil rig.
For nearly a century, TWG has been helping businesses pull, lift, rotate, and monitor. And that is why they are truly one of the world's greatest.